Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Quick Review. In this quick review, we'll be taking a look at time zones. Specifically, there are 4 major time zones in the United States, or in the consecutive United States, and that's the 48 continuous states. So, if you look at this yellow color over here, this represents our Eastern time zone. Then we have Central, then Mountain, and then finally Pacific. So as we travel, say from Tennessee, the tip of Tennessee, the best state ever, to say Colorado, a little bit of Aspen, a little bit of skiing, we find ourselves traveling from Eastern time zone to Central to Mountain. So in this Eastern time zone, let's say it was 2 o'clock, it would be 1 o'clock in the Central, and then 12 o'clock in this Mountain time zone. Okay, because as we move from east to west, we gain hours in our time. So if it took me 3 hours to fly from the tip of Tennessee to Colorado, and I left at, say, 2 o'clock, okay, I left at 2 o'clock here, so it took me 1, 2, 3 hours on top of that, which made it 5 o'clock. But then I also gained 1, 2 hours on our 5 o'clock. So I actually land in Colorado at 3 o'clock. So when you're moving from east to west, you gain hours. From west to east, you lose hours. So when I go this way, I'm gonna lose a minus sign, big minus for lose time. So if I'm going from California to, say, New York City, I'm crossing into 1, 2, 3 time zone. I'm crossing 3 of these lines. You see 1 line here, 2 lines here, 3 lined here, okay? So I'm crossing all these different time zones. So if I leave California at 3, or if it's 3 o'clock in California, it's going to be 4 in this Mountain, 5 in the Central, 6 in the Eastern time. And if my flight was, say, 4 hours, well, if it's 6 in Eastern, all I have to do is add 4 hours to that 6 o'clock time. And that puts me at 10 o'clock here in New York. I guess New York City's up here. Okay? So this is the easy way to try to understand our time zones. And the reason why we have these time zones are because our Earth is constantly rotating, and because it's rotating, it's going to be different sunlight in different areas of the Earth. So to maintain kind of a consistent 9 to 5 type of day throughout the country and even throughout the world, we end up using these parameters. So thank you for tuning in, and check out the next one.